Welcome to Jersey Jim Fish. Jersey Jim here. So this is going to be it's going to be 4 different short versions of the long version. The long version, my crab fetish, is I think 50 some odd minutes, probably more than that. Long movie, a lot of great information there. But this is going to be 4 different movies. The grilled soft shell crabs, how to saute soft shell crabs in garlic and chives and oil, soft shell tempura, and steamed crabs. If you want to see the whole movie, that movie, My Crab Fetish, is on my channel. I realize that is not for everybody watching an hour-long movie. You just want to see how to do this stuff, and it's real easy to do, very effective. I can do it, so real easy to do. This is the movie for you. And I'll make it as clean, as short and concise, and if you have any questions about it, leave me a comment or watch the whole movie. All questions are answered in the whole movie. Enjoy and cheers. Alright, so like I said, I bought these crabs already cleaned, the soft shell crabs. If you got them live and you need to clean them, I'll kind of go through it here. So you'd want to clip the face off first. I apologize, it's kind of graphic. And you flip the side open. These gills should be cut out. There'll be gills all along here, and they should be cut out. Somebody did a pretty good job on this one. The apron needs to be ripped off. That's the sexual part of it. And then inside here, I spoke too soon. This is a bladder that needs to be removed, and it's really a good idea to remove that from the get-go, because it does contain urea, which can spoil the meat. But these are nice and clean. Not clean, but they're nice and fresh. These were live yesterday, probably. Took all the shells off. This is the easiest recipe for soft shell crabs that I know, and one of the best. That is grilled soft shell crabs. Grilled soft shell crabs. So what I have here is Ken's light Caesar salad dressing. Now I'm going to let this marinate overnight. If you didn't have overnight to marinate it, you can get like a dry salad dressing mix. You like Italian salad dressing, use Italian. I happen to like this. There we go. We're just going to put some of that in the bowl. And then we're going to go ahead and add some hot sauce to it. Louisiana hot sauce. You can't really overdo this, because this stuff's really salty. The crab's going to exude a lot of liquid. So, I mean, that might look kind of spicy, but it'll be more watery after they marinate for a while, overnight in my case. That is the beginning. Yeah, I'm gonna put 3 in that. That's gonna be good. One of my favorite meals right here. One of my favorite soft shell meals, grilled soft shells. The marinated soft shells here, marinated in the Ken's light Caesar salad dressing, or any salad dressing of your liking. Some nice red embers in there, and we're going to put them directly over the open flame. Leave them go for about 5 minutes. No need to oil the grill because they are kind of papery. And this stuff here, we're not going to toss that out yet. When we go to flip them over, after 4 minutes, 5 minutes, we're going to dip them back in this hot side. And then, I might not even be seeing it. We're going to dip them back in this, the hot side, and then flip them over, and then we're going to dump this on in the last 2 minutes. This has the raw crab in it, so you got to let it cook off a little bit. So let that go for 4 minutes, flip them over, and I'll show you that when the time comes. Alright, 5 minutes. That one's a little overdone. our hot side into the marinade. I'll flip it over. Hot side in. That's what you want them to look like right there. Hell yeah. It's gonna be a good one. Beauty. That's what you want. Now, if you're eating these and they are mushy, that means you need to cook them a little bit longer. They should firm up when you cook them. Alright, so there we go. That's all double dipped. Now we're going to dump the rest of the marinade on the top. Just like that. Actually, the largest one should be over the flame. Lift off to the side. Oh yeah, that's going to be a good one there. Perfect. Alright, in 5 more minutes, I'll be eating lunch at 4 o'clock. Here we go. Grilled soft shells. Grilled soft shells. So you want them to be firm. You want them to be kind of firm. You don't want them real mushy. So I wound up leaving these directly over the open flame for about 10 minutes and then off to the side. Total cooking time about 15 minutes. Well, here we go. Here's the eating part of the soft shell crabs. Oh, they smell so good. I was gonna wait to eat them till I made another dish. Charcoal. Charcoal is almost a must with these things. It imparts another level of flavor that you won't get with gas. Gas, I mean, would be better than any other way of cooking these, but charcoal really does add a depth of flavor. Oh. Yeah, they're quite good, just how I remembered them. Just how they were last time I ate them. Phenomenal. A tremendous recipe. If you've never had grilled soft shell crabs, I highly, highly recommend them. Sweet. Next one, I'm going to steam the crabs next because they got to cool off. Steam the hard shells. A little spice to that bite. Maybe a little bit too much hot sauce. I like the hot sauce, so you might want to temper that down a little bit. Really good. So I'm going to steam some crab next. Coming right up after this plate of food and that beer.